This EFAR 1 quart saucepan with lid has quickly become a standout product in the world of cookware, offering users a premium combination of durability, health-conscious materials, and superior performance. This small yet versatile saucepan is the perfect addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a beginner learning the ropes or a seasoned chef looking for a reliable piece for everyday use. Below, we dive into a comprehensive review of this product, showcasing its strengths, benefits, and why it should be your next kitchen investment. Key features of the EFAR 1 quart saucepan. Number 1. Healthy and sturdy stainless steel construction. One of the most appealing aspects of the EFAR saucepan is its high-quality heavy-gauge stainless steel construction. Unlike non-stick coated pans that may release toxic substances into your food over time, this saucepan ensures a chemical-free cooking experience. Its sturdy build, coupled with a solid metal core handle secured by rivets, guarantees long-term durability, making this a one-time investment for your kitchen. Number 2. Efficient heat distribution. The pure thick-gauge steel with a flat-bottom design allows for even and quick heat conduction. Whether you're heating milk, boiling water, or making a delicate sauce, this saucepan delivers consistent cooking results. The included glass lid enhances heat retention, helping you save on gas or electricity by improving overall cooking efficiency. Number 3. User-friendly design. EFAR has paid close attention to usability. The rolled edges make pouring liquids mess-free, while the mirror-polished interior ensures easy cleaning. The vented glass lid not only allows you to monitor your cooking, but also prevents boilovers with its small steam release vent. Number 4. Compact and functional. The 1 quart size is ideal for smaller portions or single-person meals, making it perfect for campers, students, or anyone with minimal cooking needs. It's compatible with gas, electric, and ceramic cookers, providing versatility that adapts to your kitchen setup. Number 5. Dishwasher safe and rust-free. Cleaning up is a breeze with the EFAR saucepan. Its rust-resistant stainless steel design is dishwasher safe, ensuring you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. Why choose the EFAR 1 quart saucepan? Health-conscious cooking. In a world where non-stick coatings can flake and release harmful substances into your food, this saucepan's uncoated stainless steel build offers peace of mind. It's free from toxic chemicals, making it an excellent choice for families, health enthusiasts, and environmentally conscious consumers. Built to last. Thanks to its heavy-gauge construction and securely riveted handle, the EFAR saucepan withstands the test of time. It resists dents, scratches, and rust, ensuring it stays in excellent condition even with daily use. Multifunctional utility. From boiling water to making stovetop coffee, melting butter, or cooking oatmeal, this saucepan handles a wide range of kitchen tasks. Its compact size and lightweight design make it particularly handy for camping trips or small living spaces. Enhanced cooking experience. The visible glass lid with a heat-proof handle adds convenience to your cooking process. You can monitor your food without lifting the lid, which helps retain heat and flavors for tastier results. Customer feedback. The EFAR saucepan has garnered rave reviews from users across various platforms. Here's what some customers have to say. I love how quickly this saucepan heats up, and the fact that it's so easy to clean. It's perfect for my small kitchen. The stainless steel material is sturdy and looks great. It's exactly what I needed for my morning oatmeal and tea. I took this pot on a camping trip, and it was amazing. Lightweight, yet durable, and super easy to clean. Why you should invest in the EFAR saucepan today. This EFAR 1 quart saucepan with lid is the perfect blend of health, convenience, and functionality. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or preparing a single serving of soup, this saucepan has you covered. Its superior heat conduction, rust-resistant material, and easy clean design make it a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen tools. Conclusion. This EFAR 1 quart saucepan with lid stands out as a compact yet powerful tool in any kitchen. Its high-quality stainless steel construction ensures a safe, durable, and long-lasting cooking experience, while its thoughtful design elements like the vented glass lid and ergonomic handle make everyday cooking easier and more enjoyable. Whether you're preparing small meals, boiling water, or making your favorite sauces, this saucepan delivers consistent results with efficiency and style. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.